feels amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need.
Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel. For those who are not subscribed, my name is Naomi LeClaire, and for those who are subscribed, thank you for subscribing and welcome back. So let's jump right into the video, you guys. So today I'm going to be sharing with you things that I wish I knew before I became a side model, okay? So I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks and putting you guys on what you need to know. Tip number 1, you need to know your 3 basic poses. A lot of people think that modeling is just you just show up and you're just beautiful and your pictures come out flawlessly, but there's a science behind it. There's fundamentals that you need to know and need to be knowledgeable of in order to become basically the GOAT, the best of your craft, okay? Tip number 2, you need to know your stats. You need to know your stats. Your modeling agent, right off the bat, or even your casting director, if you're going in for open calls, they're going to ask you your stats. Stats, that's a key word in the modeling industry for your measurements, okay? And if you guys want to know specifics on all of this, put it down below and I'll get into those videos later. Tip number 3, you need to have knowledge of modeling. If you plan to become a catwalk model, then you need to know how to walk. If you plan to become an actor, then you need to know some basics behind that. If you plan to fit into different categories, you need to know what those different categories of modeling is. There's so many different aspects of it. With that knowledge of modeling, because your agent wants to feel confident in you, not only with your knowledge, but they want to be confident in you because you're confident in yourself. So confidence will go a long way. Faking it till you make it goes a long way. Being coachable and just being open-minded and willing to try new things and to just give it all you got goes a really long way. So those are some side note tips as well. You need to look put together. Okay, you don't need to look like you just rolled out of bed. Whatever you do, even if you're going to a casting call and they say blank face, make sure you do your face routine, your skin routine, so you will have that glowy skin, or as that's just an example. You see what I'm saying? Just look as put together as you can be, okay? So that you, not only you will feel confident in you, but your casting directors, they'll look like, oh, she or he looks good. They look put together. They look good, okay? For females, you want to make sure that you have a model's manicure. If you guys don't know what that is, then comment down below so I can make a whole new video about that, because there's a lot to it. Last tip, if you're going to a casting call, if you're meeting with your model agent, make sure that you have the proper attire. If they say come in a black tank top and fitted jeans, wear that. Don't come to a casting call when they said black on black and you're wearing a red gown, okay? Everyone's going to be like, and just because you stand out doesn't mean it's a good standout. You see what I'm saying? So take heed to all those different tips. Let me know down below in the comment section if that interested you all, if this is topics that you want me to talk about. I know you guys don't like long and drawn out videos, so I wanted to keep it short and concise. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Help me grow my channel, help me get the knowledge that I learn and love to share with you all out there on the scene. I appreciate you guys so much. My name is Naomi LeClaire. Make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell so you can see me on your screen again, okay? So we'll see each other again. Bye.
Everything you do is amazing.